Welcome back. This is Grant with AMZ Affiliate Bootcamp, and in this lesson, we're going to cover three main things. Number one, why you should use WordPress for your Amazon affiliate website. Number two, how to install WordPress on your Site5 account. And number three, changing your permalink structure to make it more SEO friendly. So let's dive in. So I mentioned WordPress. Now, why WordPress? There's 8 main reasons why you should definitely build your Amazon affiliate website on WordPress. Number one, it's the biggest content management system available. It's been around the longest, and it also powers 22.5% of all websites on the internet. It's free, it's open source, it's relatively easy to use and learn in the sense that you don't have to write any code if you don't want to. There's lots of themes and plugins to help you out. And on that note, it's super flexible. There's so much you can do by extending its use, using different themes and plugins, many of which are very user-friendly. And there's also a theme or a plugin to basically do anything that you'll need it to do. WordPress is also search engine friendly and very much optimized for SEO. So that's one less thing we have to worry about. And finally, it's also safe and secure, so that's another thing that you can also rest assured about. Now let's talk about setting up your WordPress site with Site5. We're going to demonstrate the setup of a new site using Site5 hosting, and the process is similar if you use other web hosting as well, but this is our example. Okay, so first you need to point your domain to Site5's name servers. This information is usually included in the welcome email when you purchase a new hosting plan. In this case, our particular name servers look like this: dns.site5.com, dns2.site5.com. Next, you're going to log into your Site5's client backstage, and you can see the URL on your screen. Then at the top right hand of your dashboard, click the drop down next to Site Admin and choose your hosting account. Now, if you signed up for Site5 with your site's domain, proceed to step 5 immediately. If you used a different domain, then you need to add your site's domain as an add-on. And you can see some instructions here. Now, go to Web Apps and then Install and Manage Web Apps. Choose WordPress and click Install Now. Then fill in all the necessary details like site name, site description, admin username, admin password, admin email, etc. Just fill it in quickly because you can change all this information later, except for admin username. Then scroll down and under Select Plugins, check the box next to Limit Login Attempts. This is a plugin to make your site more secure. And then click Install. And boom, you're done. Log into your new website with the information that you've provided. Alright, were you following along? I hope so, because you can pause it and go through this step by step, and now we're going back to the rest of this lesson. And finally in this lesson, we're going to be changing your permalink structure. First off, what is a permalink? A permalink structure is the default way WordPress builds your URLs, such as blogname.com / the date that it was posted on / post name, and it's something that you can change the default of. And this is the most important thing you need to do after installing WordPress because the default permalink structure in WordPress is not very SEO friendly, but it's a very, very easy fix. All you have to do is go to Settings, Permalinks, and set the URL structure to post name. And that is it. In this lesson, we just covered why you should use WordPress, how to install WordPress on Site5 as an example, and then changing your permalink structure to make it SEO friendly. I hope you followed along, and if you didn't, make sure to go back and take action on all of these things. They're very, very important as we continue to the next lesson.